that is part maybe of the administrative mechanism to see to it that the investigation will go unhampered, unfettered, unbridled. Okay yan.
Klaro na po ba kung ano yung reason bakit sila na-relieve? Is it
I-relieve mo lang yan. It's not really a big deal. Isa uli mo yan pagkatapos ng ano. But you have to investigate, and if the persons being investigated would have something to do or in their control yung mga papilis or the events there sa mga tao, baka matakot, takutin. I agree with the measure taken.
Mayor, nagka-istorya naman ni Sir Pipino about sa pag-relieve sa...
Wala pa.
Mayor, on kay Superintendent Pilonia, karon na-file na po ang kaso murder siya.
Oo, tutay mahimo. Sa paskin na ito, ma-file, magyun na, kaya na may confession. Implicating him. As a matter, pointing to him as the principal by induction yan. Inducement.
Mayor, there are many Mindanao leaders no na karon diri, and then you are promoting na dapat maangko na gyud sa Mindanao, labi na sa Moro people sa Mindanao ang kining atuang kaugalingon nga.
Yes, that's one of the programs I said if pero ayaw ko man federal system. Sabi ko, we cannot return to you all the lands that were taken from you, but let me offer or allow us to offer to you a nation of their own. Not a separate republic, but a nation. Dimbag sa Moro nation. Something like that. Kay Nor, anong gusto niyang tawag niya niya? It's another state or region. Yan lang talaga. That's the only way that we can attain peace in Mindanao.
Mayor, kanang pagka-relieve sa mga pulis, di ba na maka-apekto sa imahe sa mga pulis sa DCPO?
No, parts of discipline. It will, as a matter of improve on the image of the police. That we do not allow abuses but ito naman konektado ito sa trabaho actually. Ang punot dulo dito is actually sa trabaho. So let us see what happens.
Sir Danao,
naibagong grupo sa Manila Mayor nga nagapa-signature campaign na po sila para mundagan ka as president.
Sabi ko, I said I thought it was really a bad joke. But there are people na hindi ko na talaga kontrolado because I do not know them and they're printing all over town yung Duterte. Sabi ko, hindi nga ako interesado. Ilang beses na ba yan? Early on last year, nag-post na ako sa website. I am not interested. It does not appeal to me. But I said, tell you, do not me. Kasi pag ako ang dumating dyan by universal equation, yung gagawin ko sa Pilipinas, I said, I'm going to declare a revolutionary government. Not because na malinis ako sa lahat ng Pilipino, but because I just want to do something for my country before I die. If that is really what I wanted, if given by God that chance. But I'm telling God now that I'm not interested. So if it's a matter of destiny is God. So I'm telling God now, I do not want it, I do not need it, I do not covet it. As a matter of fact, I'm not interested. Pero pag nandyan na ako, patay kayong lahat.
Do you have any idea?
Minor ka ba? Ako korupyo, sigurado.
Do you have any idea, Mayor, kung sino ang nag-lead nito?
Alam mo, sa totoo lang yan, I think it started with itong si my friend, si Sal Panelo. May opinion niya sa radio program about constitutional dictatorship. Why, sabi ko ganon. Sabi ko, Sal, wala naman walang constitutional dictatorship. It's pure and simple dictatorship. Philippine contemporary, there's a constitution that controls us. No, if you revolt against that constitution, it is really dictatorship. There is no such thing as constitutional dictatorship.
Mayor,
Sila, si Sal yan, mga 5 years ago. Kaibigan ko yan. Tapos I think it's Tulfo again. Then I don't know bakit noon pa sinasabi ko, pati kayo sa media, alam niyo sinasabi ko, do not, because I do not like it. Otherwise, natagal na ako nagpunta. Kung gusto ko lang nasyonal, di panahon pa ni Ramos. But on the last year of her term, President Arroyo wanted me to be the defense secretary.
Kay Colonel Danao sa DCPO.
Or sinabi ko I'm telling Krami that is not enough really to relieve a person. What you saw in TV was parang there was a grappling and then the wife shouting and Danao was kicking the plates and yung mga utensils. Doon nga niya nilabas yung galit niya eh. Ang Krami na ito. Sino bang hindi nag-away ng asawa niya? Usually kami mga gano'n, sinusuntok namin yung door or we kick the... That's natural. He's supposed to implement the law. Pagkaugok naman, I heard a police officer saying na he's supposed to implement the law. Ulol ka pala eh. Supposed the law, siya yung na-affected. How are you and how can you implement the law and you're the one who's quarreling with your wife? Must be crazy.
Mayor, may magrarally na naman pag ibalik daw si Colonel Danao.
Hindi magrally sila. I do not. Sino magrally?
Progressive group.
Gabriela. I never heard Gabriela say na gusto nilang paalisin si Danao. What they were doing was to sympathize with you. I pity the wife. Always in a family breakup, you always pity the wife. Siya yung, she bears the children, she does it. But it's not all roses dyan sa marriage. I don't know, but sabi ko, pinatatin ko sa crime. That's not a good, makita mo lang, no? Wala naman nabasag doon na mukha eh. Parang there was this finger, grappling for something. And the next scene was the wife was shouting, oh, sige, basagin mo. And I saw Danao, was kicking the... Mabuti, nakita na nga nila, pinarabas ang galit niya doon sa bagay, hindi sa tao. Then you deprive a person. Alam mo, hindi madali magsundalo, ha? They have to undergo the travails and rigors of soldiery. It's not that easy na magdating ka ng chief of police or police director. I agree with Gabriela. He should face the music here because the jurisdiction of the courts, if at all there are cases filed, is dito because crime is jurisdictional. So within this jurisdiction, because probably whatever, battery, but I said, wala man ako nakita ng bugbog. Sinisigawan niya asawa niya. And that should not be reason enough na sino bang hindi nakasigaw ng asawa niya. So, may I ask you, ilang beses siya sinigawan ng asawa niya? Awa yan, domestic, You just cannot lump it with something like he's a policeman, he has to implement. That's a very stupid proposition. You must be crazy. I heard one police officer, sabihin mo sa kanya, sabi naman, bugok ka.
Mayor,
Better go back to school.
balik ko kay Felonia, Mayor. As a former prosecutor, do you think nga naipuruhan nga...
No. The case is filed. Prosecutor ako noon. I do not want to give an opinion because it would not be good for us. As a matter of fact, it is not allowed. Let us wait for the court. Let us see what develops.
Mayor, lain issue, Mayor. Nagkasabay, 1 year after sa pagbuto sa Dua ka Cinemas, din sa Davao City, mo po'y pagbuto dito sa Jansan, Mayor. Do you think nga isa lang ka grupo ang nagpaluyo ni Mayor?
I get some briefings every now and then sa intelligence community. I have not called for, I just arrived karating ko lang isang gabi. Then I can call for a conference maybe with the intelligence community and make the assessment if there's one to discuss.
Is it open for the media, Mayor?
Pagka-intelligence meeting, wala talaga kayo.
Walang dapat ipaglalaan, Mayor, ang mga taga-Davao. Security ng Davao ngayon. Wala naman dapat.
Well, I say this is Mindanao. Remember that Davao City is in Mindanao. And historically, Mindanao is a troubled land. It is a territorial strife. And I said, unless you are able to really reconfigure areas here, and give to the Moro people their homeland. So I said we cannot return from the Spaniards, pass to the Americans, then pinasok nila yung homestead dito. So maraming nawalaan and marginalize ang Moro people. Kaya sinasabi ko, we cannot return to you all of the lands taken, but we can offer you a nation in the name of peace.